Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to talk about the Feedback Hub and two little things. One is a problem that some people have noticed, and one is about the fact that the Feedback Hub is still, even in Windows 11, the best way to submit some problem that you might have seen in Windows 11. Of course, in Windows 10 still works, so if you have issues, don't hesitate to file a problem there. So the Feedback Hub is, of course, within Windows. It is already within the operating system. And all you have to do is just find it. You need to have a Microsoft account to be able to sign in. And of course, you can give feedback by just writing the feedback you want at the top, or you can check out the feedback that is already in here and go through it. One of the biggest problems that people have been noticing lately, and it's unexplained. So of course, it goes from people thinking Microsoft is deleting upvotes to, and I think that's probably the best answer, some kind of bug within the upvote system for the feedback. So what happens is that you put feedback, and when you start looking at the upvotes, you notice that every day it changes, but some people have noticed that the upvotes aren't always going on the upside. So for example here, 10,519 might be 9,000 tomorrow, rather than 11,000 or at least 10,520. Now you cannot downvote, which means it can't be a user problem. It's not users that downvote. It's really something is happening with the upvote system within the Feedback Hub. So those are against Microsoft a lot. I think Microsoft is simply removing the upvotes to make sure that some of the problems aren't as bad as they seem. But I personally think they don't really have time. They barely have time to really check the problems anyways. I think it's more of a bug than anything else. Something is happening. It could be some kind of automated process that's happening there. But whatever. Look, whatever you think of the Feedback Hub, because I got some very mixed review. We noticed in the past that a lot of the Feedback Hub problems that were reported were pretty much ignored and ended up in Windows. So we hope that this is actually better than it was before. We hope that it's pretty much fixed, because definitely we need to have a good working Feedback Hub and a good system where we can report problems that we are seeing when we're using Windows. So anyways, Feedback Hub is the place to go. You can give new feedback here at the top. Simply put a title, give new feedback, explain. If you have screenshots, you can put the screenshots there. And depending on the importance. And of course, you can also check out what's the feedback available there, as there's some feedback that is already reported depending on what you are actually going to report. But any problem should be reported there. It's the place to go, and it's the way to do it. Microsoft does get a lot of telemetry from the problems that might be in Windows, but the Feedback Hub adds another dimension where you can explain it a little more. So you can check it out. Feedback Hub is part of every Windows system, Windows 10, Windows 11. So you can check it out. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.